In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your list in Klaviyo. We all know how vital it is to maintain a clean email list to ensure our campaigns are reaching engaged customers while keeping our deliverability rates high. So let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Klaviyo account. You'll want to have your login details ready. Once you're logged in, find and click on the Audience tab. This is where you can manage all your contacts, lists, and segments. You'll notice within this section, there's something called Lists and Segments. That's your next stop. Click to get into it. Now, it's time to get a little strategic. Think about your contacts who haven't been interacting with your emails lately. Creating a segment for these inactive or unengaged contacts will help you identify them easily. I usually consider a contact unengaged if they haven't opened or clicked on any of my emails in the last 3 months, but feel free to adjust this time frame based on your business needs. To create this segment, find the Create Segment button and give it a click. Here you'll need to set the criteria for your segment. Usually this involves setting conditions around email engagement, like no opens or clicks within your chosen time frame. This step is crucial because it helps you target only those contacts who aren't engaging with your content. By identifying these individuals, you not only improve the health of your list, but also your overall email campaign performance. One vital aspect of maintaining a good email list is repeating this process regularly. Cleaning your list isn't a one-time task. It should become a regular part of your email marketing routine. Setting a schedule, be it monthly or quarterly, can help ensure that your list remains healthy. This consistency in cleaning helps improve your email deliverability rates since you're minimizing the number of uninterested contacts in your list. Remember, keeping your list clean is not just about identifying unengaged contacts and removing them, it's about maintaining a healthy relationship with your audience. When your emails reach the right people, those genuinely interested in what you offer, they are more likely to engage, which in turn keeps your sender reputation strong. And there you have it. By following these steps consistently, you'll maintain a cleaner and more engaged email list in Klaviyo, leading to better deliverability outcomes and more effective email marketing campaigns. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cleaning.